Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Class 2nd, you can take your English textbook. Lesson 4, page 41. Okay, we are going to learn from this chapter about the Teachers' Day. Okay. Do you know when we will celebrate the Teachers' Day? The Teachers' Day we celebrate on September 5. Okay, now the Teachers' Day is almost over. The September 5 is already passed. Then actually that day we celebrate the Teachers' Day means the children will give to the teachers flowers, some card. Someone will give also some gifts also because that day is for the Teachers' Day. You see in the picture, in this page, there is a picture of one man. You see? And this man, his name is Dr. S. Radha Krishnan. And the September 5 is a birthday of this Dr. S. Radha Krishnan. September 5 is the birthday of Dr. S. Radha Krishnan. And this man was the president of India. He was the president of India. Okay, then this man's birthday means Dr. A. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. The Dr. Radhakrishnan, he was a president of India in, here is the dates, 1962 to 1967. Okay, before he was the president of India, and this man's birthday we celebrate as a Teachers' Day. Why? Because he was a teacher and professor in the school. And do you know where this man is born? He is born in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu means south part of India, southern part of India. Then he was a president of India. And in this chapter, we will going to learn how we will celebrate or how the students, the small kids or children will celebrate the Teachers' Day. Okay, do you know our school will celebrate the Principal Day? Yes or no? Yeah, our school will celebrate the Principal Day. Principal Day means the birthday of our school principal. We celebrate we remember as a Principal Day. And this Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and this man who was a president of India and this man memory and his birthday we celebrate as a Teachers' Day. Okay, don't forget this September 5. Now we are going to learn from the chapter how the children will celebrate the Teachers' Day. Okay. Page number 42. I was very excited. I was very excited means one who write this story is saying that I was one who write this story very excited. Excited means very happy, joy. Okay, very thrilled, very happy. We were going to. Okay, in Hindi, this excited, we can say that utsuk means I am so happy. Okay, what happened? We were going to celebrate Teachers' Day. Means these students, they are going to celebrate. Means they are going to do something special. Means is something coming special. Then they are going to celebrate the Teachers' Day in my new school. And this one who writes this story is a girl and he is now this school, for her this school is new school. New school means Naya school. Then she was very happy, very utsuk because they were going to celebrate Teachers' Day. Okay, what happened? I listened to my classmates talking. Then this new girl, he heard the classmates means other students, her classmates, same class, they were talking, they were speaking, they were making all kinds of plans for the day. the other students, the other his friends, they have to make all kind. They are planning how we will do this Teachers Day. Means they are programming how they celebrate this Teachers Day. You see the classrooms. Then so many students are here. Okay, you would see that some students are cutting the paper. Okay, look. Then some are with paint and brush. They are starting to sketch, draw some pictures. Okay, all are working. Someone is thinking then how I will do. They all are thinking how they have to do this program, how they have to plan this program. We are all very fond of our teacher. Fond means like, pasand. Okay, we all our teachers we like, means we pasand. All teachers we like. Joshi ma'am means there is one ma'am. Her name is Joshi ma'am. Okay, then we all are very fond of our teacher Joshi ma'am. Then all the students like this Joshi ma'am. All students, सारे बच्चे पसंद. Which ma'am? Joshi ma'am. Okay, she is a tall, slim lady. Okay, this Joshi ma'am, all the students like Joshi ma'am. And this ma'am, this teacher is very tall. Tall, you understood? Very tall one. And slim. Slim means thin, not fat. Okay, thin lady. She wears such pretty sarees. Pretty means very beautiful. Very beautiful sarees. Means this Joshi ma'am wear beautiful sarees. Okay, she is very tall and slim. Means very high. Height is very high. Then she is very thin and she wear beautiful sarees. Pretty means beautiful. Sundar sarees. She always looks fresh and cool. Means she is always fresh. Means all time energetic. So much energy, enthusiasm. Okay, means let us say that is very happy. Always seeing the students, she is very happy. Even at the end of a busy day. Means she is busy. She had to complete many work, but even busy time, she was very happy. She is strict with us. Means very strict also. Strict means sometimes she become very strict in the classroom. Means if we will not study, how we will do? Okay, then that's why she is so strict. But has a kind heart. Means kind heart. A very good teacher. Means she is strict in the class, but she is very good heart. Okay, दिल good दिल है. Okay, she loves each one of us. Why? She likes means सारे बच्चे she पसंद है. She likes very much all the students. All of us wanted to give Joshi ma'am a card. Okay, all the students like to give her card. Some of us thought card from the stationery shops. Okay, some students they thought that they will buy the card, greeting card from the shop. Okay, dukan mein. Others likes me made the card ourselves. Then some students, then you see the picture. Some students are making the card. They are making. Some thought that we will buy from the dukan. Okay, they are thinking. We used chart paper, okay, glazed paper and sketch pens. Means to make the card, we should make colors. For the color, we should use a sketch pen. Then paper, glazed paper means golden paper, blue paper means glazed one. Meenu came up with a good idea. Then one girl is her name is Meenu and she have a good idea. She got an idea. What she said? She used dried flowers to make her card. Okay, then Meenu have got another idea. She said that she will make flowers with dried fruit. Dried flowers. Dried flowers means suke full. Okay, suke full she used for make a card. The great day arrived means that day came. September 5 came means that day is Children's Day. Some children had planned to bring flowers for our teacher. Some thought that they will bring the flowers. I too wanted to give her a bunch of flowers. This writer, this girl, one who said the story, this girl also wanted to give flowers. But I did not have the money to buy them. She doesn't have the money to buy. I walked to school with a heavy heart. She was very sad. Heavy heart means she is very sad. You see the picture? Okay, she is walking to the school. I wanted so much to give my teacher flowers. She liked to give her flowers. Suddenly, I saw something and stopped. When she was walking, she saw something and she stopped. In the field, by the side of the road, she was walking in the road. You see, then there was a field. Both sides, we can see the green field, and she saw tiny wild flowers. Tiny means very small. Chota fool. Okay, chota the fool dekha. She saw chota fool. They looked so pretty. Means this chota fool is very sundar, very beautiful. Quickly, fastly, I gathered as many as I could. She take all these chota flowers. You see in the picture? Okay, there were yellow ones, white ones, and okay, you see how many colors? Yellow one, okay, different colors. And I put them in all my bag. I ran the rest of the way to school because she was walking first with sad. Then after she collecting the flowers, she ran to the school. At the assembly, our principal told us why we celebrate Teachers' Day. Means that today they have the assembly like our school. Then the principal told why they celebrated the Teachers' Day. We already told that today is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday and he was a president of India. Then what happened? He was a teacher and a professor and he got many awards because he was a good teacher. Because of that day we celebrate, remember him and we celebrate, honor all the teachers. Then we all stood up and wished her good morning. Okay, when after the assembly, when we came to the classroom, all the students wished, means they said good morning to the teacher. Then one by one, means each student gave card and flowers. When my turn came, one by one they are coming, all are giving the card and flowers. Then this girl Chance, he had in one hand flowers. Okay, one hand in flowers. As I opened my fist and present the flowers, there was laughter in the class. What happened? She took from the bag her flowers. My fist means I opened my hand and presented to the teacher. All the students were laughing. You see the picture? This girl is giving to the teacher the flowers. All other students are laughing. I looked at all the beautiful flowers on the table. Means the other students gave other type of flowers. You see that the picture there is a rose flower, I think. Okay, there is so many type of flowers. But this flower is from the field. Okay, this is not bought from the shop. Dukan se flower nahi hai. This one is from the field only, from the ground only. Then what happened? The other flowers were roses, lilies, carnations, okay, other type of nice flowers. And this girl has only the field flowers. My flowers looked is ordinary, means it is a ordinary from the everywhere we can see. Ordinary means common flower. tears came to my eyes, means she was starting to cry. Okay, this girl is starting to cry. I closed my fist quickly because she was open to her hand to give the ma'am, but she closed, means she closed her hand because inside of the hand what is there? The flowers. But what happened? I felt a hand on my shoulder, means she closed her hand but she saw that someone is touching her on her shoulder. Then who was that? Joshi ma'am. She came here and she took her flowers, and what happened? She picked up each flower, means each flower she took and she put on the bowl of water. Shallow bowl of water means she took a bowl and she put the flowers in that bowl. Okay, then means Joshi ma'am is very good ma'am. She accepted that flower also, and they were very nice to see. Then this girl also so happy because Joshi ma'am accepted her flowers. Okay, this much is only the story. Please students, this is a simple story. Everyone should read. Okay, now let us go to do the sum exercise. Please students, take page number 45. In the box at the end of each sentence, write true for a true statement and F for false. Okay, here is some words. Then we should take, we have to write true or false. Means a such a not such a. Okay, for the such we have to write true. Okay, T for satya. Okay, such. Then F for asat. Okay, galat. Okay, galat things we have to write F. Okay, now let us go and check. Joshi ma'am did not dress well. In the chapter we studied Joshi ma'am dress well, beautiful sarees. Then this one is false because galate. Actually Joshi ma'am dress well. Here is right. Did not, negative. Then is false. Joshi ma'am was not kind to her students. Here is saying that Joshi ma'am was not kind. She was not a kind. But we studied in the chapter Joshi ma'am was kind. Then a galat, false. We will write false. Okay, next one. The writer loved Joshi ma'am, means the girl, one who say the story, loved the Joshi ma'am. Then true, satya, true. The writer made a card for her teacher with colored paper and sketch pens. True or false? What the girl gave? The girl gave only flower, no? Then this is a false, galat, F. The writer also bought her a bunch of flowers from the shop. But where she got that flower? She got from the field, no dukan. Then galate. Okay. Then exercise B. Please everyone do the exercise B. Answer the following questions in full sentence. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? When we did say Teachers' Day is on September 5. Okay, you can write here on September 5. What did Meenu use to make her card? Meenu used dried zuke wool. Okay, dried flowers. Okay, now this one I will give also notes. Don't worry, just you see this answer now. After I will send into the WhatsApp. Which flowers did the children give Joshi ma'am? The other children, what are the other flowers they give? Roses, lilies and carnations. Okay, next one. Choose the right option to answer the question. Okay, why couldn't the writer buy flowers? Why the girl did not buy the flower? Why? Because she did not have the money. Okay, then the option C. Answer is option C. Then who is telling the story? Who is telling the story? A chote bache, a little girl. Now everyone take the page 47. Number 5. words. A describing word tells you something more about a noun. Means describing word means giving more explanation, more things, explaining more. Here we said that the Joshi ma'am was very slim. Slim means Joshi ma'am is very thin. Means explaining that she is not fat. She is very slim. Means explaining that slim means she explaining more things about detailed or explaining more things about her. That we will call is explaining, describing word. Then pretty. Pretty means very beautiful. Means I saw a girl is very beautiful. Means explaining a sundar. She is describing word means explaining her, explaining the quality. Okay. Now here is written some words are describing words are wrong. Galat likha. Now we will write in correct. MILS. Okay, this word in right word is slim. SLIM. Okay, here next word is YNTI. Okay, the correct word is tiny. Tiny means very small. Then here VYEAH. Okay, this word is heavy. HEAVY. Now WEN. Okay, this word is new. NUNEW. New means Naya. Okay, next word is DKNI. The correct word is kind. 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 Then LLAT. Correct word is tall. The next word is ILUBFEATU. This word is beautiful. Correct word is beautiful. Then YRD. That word is wrong. Then now how we have to write the correct word? Word is dry. 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 Okay, students. Please everyone read this chapter. Then other things we will do. I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay. Read the chapter everyone. Okay, students. Thank you.